What's good, my wonderful people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video I'm gonna try to do a live trade video. Just if you do like this type of content, guys, feel free to like, comment, and you can do basically wherever you want. Yeah. In this video I already took a trade. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you like that. I literally took it right here, and it's kind of rolling all the way in profit. Yeah. But I'm gonna take it at 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, something like that. Yeah, you see, I literally just took it and it's smashing to the downside. It's very beautiful trade, it's very awesome, I love it. And the only thing what we have to do is just to wait for the trade to develop itself. So I will keep you posted. Stay tuned. The price action kind of start here, rejected here, it's rejected here, but right now just start consolidating kind of. So I still expecting one more push to come here to the downside to hit our TP, but we will see how the price action will develop, because how I saying all the time, nobody knows where the market is gonna go. The only thing what we can do is just to wait for the price action to develop itself. Price action could come here, reject one more time. Here it can be thousands of scenario. From here could just come, take this high, and then move to the downside. Then it could just basically come here and just move up and stop me out. The only thing what we can do, just don't panic, just leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it like that until it hits one or two things, because it can do one or two things. Either it's gonna hit my stop loss, either it's gonna hit my TP. So I do really hope the price action eventually will hit one or the other, and we will see the results shortly. Stay tuned. I think this price action will gonna stop me out, to be honest. I got feeling, only due to the reason that it kind of makes higher high and lower highs, and yeah, I'm just waiting right now to see what's gonna be. It's gonna stop me by the stop loss. The reason why I'm saying that is just because I'm seeing here like we kind of pull back, we reject, we pulled back all the way here and we did reject, yeah. And now this basically candle is so huge, yeah, and it does not have any rejection. And this candle basically will stop in 40 seconds. So I got feeling like the next candle will gonna pull back a little bit and just shoot up and hit me by the stop loss. I mean, by my experience, I'm telling you that. But at the end of the day, I don't know, you don't know, no one knows where the price action will go. So stay tuned for the result. This is not final results. You're gonna be surprised if my next update is gonna be hit the TP. So we never know. We never know. This is trading. Welcome to trading world. Yeah, you see, it's very huge. Right now, most likely the price action will pull back. Oops, what's that? Price action eventually could potentially pull back to the break-even area and just move up. Either it can just shoot up right away from here just to move up. But hey, it is what it is. That's trading. So let's just wait for the result. This is the real example what the trading is. You see, we were basically thinking it's gonna stop me out, but look at this huge candle. It's just crazy. And this push could go lower and lower and just hit my TP. I never say that. That's why I say this trading industry and this market is so unpredictable. You can have like 100% bias and you still gonna fail. The reason why is very simple. You're seeing this push, yeah? You're saying the price action most likely is in a downtrend, yeah, and it will gonna take the price action to this high, to this low, yeah. Yeah, you're right, 100% you're right. But how it's gonna do it? Because you could do it like that, like that, like that, like that, and right now it could eventually take this high, yeah, and move down. And you was right about the bias. Yeah, the price action moved down. But what's the reason that you was right on the bias if you still lost a trade? So this is the mistake that a lot of traders do. They think the bias is everything. The bias means nothing. Most important thing is just to follow the system, right? And just to pay attention and just grow on this industry as a trader, as a professional trader with no emotion. You need to stay patient. You have to be consistent with your trades and just to try to make it happen. Because without that, you never will make it. Stay tuned. We will see. But this is why I love. This is the perfect scenario where I was keep telling you. I think most likely the price action will gonna stop me out, but it could potentially come here. And I was giving you example. It could literally come here and just reverse and move to the downside. That's what happened right now. Look, this is insane. How this market's been every single day when I'm taking a trade does something new every single day. I'm surprising for this market every single day. But at the end of the day, guys, stay tuned to see the results because it still can be a loss. So we'll see. Nobody didn't expect this sort of price action on this trade yet. Look at this mess. That's why I'm saying everybody's lying to you. Nobody knows where the price action will go. The only thing what we can do is just to place a trade and take a trade and let the trades play out. So basically, at the end, this trade ends up with a loss. Yeah, and this is the perfect example, guys, that I'm gonna try to explain it to you. No matter what you think, what you know, and how good you are at trading, you're still gonna have losses. The reason why I'm saying that is because look at this beautiful, yeah, we kind of made a push with structure, came here for the pullback, and we start kind of rejecting, then break above, came down, break above, came down, and then very slowly, nicely fake me out, basically say stop me out and move to the profit target, yeah? To say if I'm wrong on this bias, no, the bias was correct. I was looking to take shorts. But how I would knew that this price action would do literally this way? You never know. And when you when your guru trader is telling you that, yeah, man, I know how to do and I know everything where the price will reverse, nobody knows where the price will reverse. And this is the perfect example. Like, even if your bias is correct, you still can get stopped out and having a lucid trade. Doesn't really matter if you if you if you are correct on the bias or not. So I would say, guys, just don't listen to people because a lot of people they just try to sell you something, do business with it. But in the reality, everybody is the same and everybody keep losing the trades the way how I do and you do also. If you know like you do getting stopped out often, just try to make any changes, but don't think that if you were gonna find out where the market it goes or if you were gonna know where the price action heads to. Yeah, it's a downtrend. Yeah, I took a short. And yeah, I did get lost. Even if I would take a buy. So basically, if I would take buy, I would win this trade. So what's the conclusion right now? What's the conclusion? The conclusion is no matter where you're gonna take the trade, it's still gonna be a loser. No matter if you're right or wrong, because you don't know the future. If you did like this video, guys, make sure you're gonna like this video, subscribe, and see you on next. Peace and love, guys. I'm out.